Munini wa Musumbi Prof Kithure Kindiki Niwaikiithya Kana Enenthi Niwaikiithya Enenthi ma Kitui kana Silikali Niyiendee Kwosa Matambya ma Kwiana Kumina Uwaani ala Meuwetekana ta Matwaiiw'e ni Aithi ma Ngamile Kisioni Aineenea Kimanyisyoni cha Yiulu cha SEKU Musini wa Kitui kana kaunti ya Kitui Kindiki asine Nimaendee kumantha usungi wa kutoa ikulu ya tongoi Meuwetekana na kupetanga siasa maunduni Onesimus.
Munini wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki niwaikiithya Enenthi ma kaunti ya Kitui kana Silikali nene Niyiendee mubango wa kumantha usungi wa kutoa Kumina na uvungulu wa Meuwetekana ula withite mivakani ya kaunti ya Kitui.
But quite consequential security issue here when we lost some people in this county. I think just slightly over a week ago, and we are taking that incident extremely seriously as government. And I think it's a good place for me when I'm in Kitui to say that what happened recently in this county is a serious infraction on our stability as a nation. We are taking every effort to make sure that those who are responsible for the death of
Aineenea kavindani kale vikite Kimanyisyoni cha SEKU yatakuwa vonza Kitui ruro Kindiki niwameenda na siasa kweka Kwosa evuso ya Mavithukia ya SEKU balaro mwanza Manatwaiiw'e mwawaitwa kuguna siasa nayo ethingileka kana Matambya ni kuongelea vyo vyakao na nitonya kuvengisa Matambya ma kumantha usungi wa kutoa.
Let me first say that we should not politicize crime. That is the easiest shortcut to losing the war against crime. And for all recurrent crimes that keeps on reoccurring, whether it's banditry, terrorism, and other forms of organized crime, the easier excuse is the politicization. Instead of breaking down the infrastructure of crime and violence in a long-term manner. And that's why I've insisted on a long-term sustained approach, because even if a particular incident is addressed and people are taken to court and are jailed for life, then tomorrow there will be another attack.
Munini wa President Meuwetekana Silikali inaotonywa Kumina na uvungulu wa Meuwetekana otondo yekia Kumina na makundi mo mamai Meuwetekana uvungulu wa Meuwetekana mivakani ya kaunti ya Kitui na Mavithukia nemeumina na mavyo ne Silikali.
And I've been here several times. There are some measures we took that time that gave us quite a lot of progress, but still the nature of these conflicts and these criminal activities is that they require long-term solutions, which we are working on. And the same way we have been able to suppress banditry significantly, the same way we have been able to suppress terrorism in the Boni enclave, northern Kenya for a while. I believe even these resource conflicts and criminals hiding under resource conflicts to perpetuate crime, we will crack them. Even between there is a political leader or a member of government who is involved, that should not be a difficult thing, because you know crime is just crime. That's how the way I look at it.
Delivote abingwa movo neto Onesimus Chalo.